Yeah, buddy, nice gaff shot.
Yeah! Oh my God, it's a stud! Whoa, baby! I am so sleepy. Woke up at 4:30, went to the gym with Carson. Been doing that every morning, so I'm running on like 4 hours of sleep. It's later in the day, it's 3:15, and Carson just called me and he said, you want to do a sunset troll here in the Florida Keys? Who would say no to some sunset trolling? Oh, these rocks hurt my feet. Everyone always tells me, Heiko, your feet will toughen up. It won't hurt to walk on the rocks. It's been 3 years. My feet haven't toughened up yet. Here we go, my 250 wides. This is the only thing Carson told me to bring. He said he rigged up some special baits for us. So we'll go look at the baits that he rigged up when we get there. And hopefully we learn something new today. You and me both. We have arrived. She's looking pretty, huh?
You get new wheels?
Nope. But I did go through the car wash.
It's kind of like when you're dead and you get dressed up for the funeral. You gotta look really nice, like in the casket, you know?
Shit. Dude, there's no way I'm getting another 100,000 miles out of this thing. If I get another like 30 out of it, but hopefully it'll be gone by then. Here's that trolling weight.
Sweet.
Let's see what's in here. Ooh, baby. Wow, that black and red feather one looks real good.
Yeah. Can I show YouTube something?
Yeah, what do you want to show YouTube? Oh.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Demonetized. It is a pretty day out here today. There's a tarpon right down there and a barracuda. It's dinner time. We got the chum out. We chum out till they come out, baby. Ooh, it's Christmas. Nice cast. Hey Carson, why are we going back to the house right now?
Heiko forgot the gaff.
I forgot the gaff.
I said, Heiko,
it's not even my boat.
And he said, yeah, we're good to go. Get out to the bait spot, no gaff.
No gaff. So we forgot the gaff, and what do you know? Trunk of my car left open. Someone could have took my $80 Yeti bucket out of the back of my car.
Yeah, but not right now. Don't let me run. I don't want to run you over.
Dude, let's see it.
Okay, you're recording it? Really?
Yes, sir.
Put it on YouTube.
There we go. Yeehaw!
Hey, South Florida Fishing Channel on YouTube. You're going to be in this video.
Okay, I'll look out.
Serious. Look him up.
Nice.
South Florida Fishing Channel. Yeah.
Nice. Look at that. Ooh-wee. +1 subscriber. We were gonna start trolling, but we just can't help ourselves. We're gonna drift the live pilchard on the bottom on some nice reefy bottom in 100 feet right off of the beautiful Keys. There's land over there. Land ho.
Look at that bait.
Oh, let's see that bait. Ooh, yeah, it's a squiggler. Send it.
Looks like we're drifting right towards the coral heads.
To the coral heads. They're probably sleeping under their coral heads, and you're gonna wake them up and they think it's gonna be a free snack. Your bait's still in there? Yeah. Not even a hook.
Yeah.
Damn! Got robbed blind. One brand new circle hook going on. Should I get the cigar or should I just get a nice pilchard? Probably a nice pilchard.
Yeah, oh, the cigar in case we run over.
All right. Do me proud, Aunt Jemima. Name the first pilchard. That's when you know the fishing is going to get good. Come on, get to the bottom already. I got a good feeling about this. Carson's putting a pilchard out on the surface. Oh! 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 I had a little bit of pressure and I think it tanked off. Dude, that was quick. As soon as... Oh, you're on already?
I got it, yeah.
There might be a kingfish out here right now. Something took my hook. Pilchard on the top. Let's see if that... I might get that seagull up there. He's already squawking for it.
That's him.
I feel like something just swallowed my bait, but I think I might be imagining it. Bringing the bait up to the top. I'm curious if I still have a bait on here because I got a couple of hits. No bait, but I still got the hook. All right, we stopped trolling and we're gonna use the last bit of daylight left to do what we do best. We're gonna fly a kite.
Oh yeah, we got the wind. Let's give her hell.
Woo-wee! Here we go. We are extremely low on fuel, so this might turn into a survival video. That'd be fun.
Yes.
All right, the sea anchor. Your brand new sea anchor?
Oh, yes.
Okay, I see you kind of ghetto rigged it a little bit.
Yeah.
This is insane. The wind is blowing this way, but the current is ripping this way. Is it opening up? Yeah, it's opening, I think. Yeah, that just opened up.
And then I get filmed everything I do, and I look like an idiot sometimes.
Well, that's part of the glory.
Oh shit. I have no shame. That's the difference between me and most people. I don't care.
Yeah, I don't care either. Let them laugh.
Woo! You will today.
Go on, girl.
Find some clean wind.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want to bring the kite rods over and put them in the leaning post?
Yep. Man, you got all matching kite rods set up now. You've come a long way. No longer Guggen kite fishing.
All right, I can hold this.
Yep.
Hand me this. Open bail clicker on.
Let it fly. Let it fly. Whoa, your clips are way further apart now than last time.
All right.
Nice.
That one's gonna go right there.
Right here?
Yep.
And how much drag do you put on it?
Just put it right here, and you free spool. And while we're getting set up, put it right in the water. Actually, when we're getting set up, you want to put it on.
Okay, yeah, just so we know what they're doing. All right, second rod with a pilchard going out. Okay, yeah.
Fish them both, clicker on, and just start letting them wear.
I'm milking the cow again.
Milk it, baby.
All right. Woo!
Third clip, baby.
Third clip, all right.
Stay right there.
How's your battle going up there?
Actually a good clip.
Coming up. You want me to gaff them for you? Oh, yeah, it is a king.
In the boat. Oh, baby. Here, right here in the cooler.
Hiya!
All right.
Woo! Yeah, there's a bait on there. Oh, oh, did something just grab him?
No, I think that was the wind knot. There's something on.
Yeah, something just grabbed him.
Yep.
Damn! As soon as he came out of the water, something grabbed him. All right,
Up the cliff. Hold on. I can try down.
Faster! Faster! Put it to him! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Fish on! As soon as you took him out of the water and plopped him back in, like that fish like was...
Yeah, he's like, saw it.
He's like, oh, you trying to get away from me? Not so fast, my friend. He's a fighter. He's a fighter. Where did this float? Is he still taking line?
Yeah.
Damn! Okay.
Go get that gaff.
Leader, got the gaff ready. Where? Whoa!
Tuna.
You want to gaff him or just toss him in?
No, it's a big one. Not a big one, but
Not a tosser.
not a lifter.
Okay. Oh, it's a blackfin.
Oh, it is. On the fifth wrap. Hold on. Yeah, buddy, nice gaff shot.
Yeah! Oh my God, it's a stud.
Good one.
Yeah!
All right, keep fishing those rods.
Wow! That's a fatty.
Oh, he's a little baby.
Oh man.
Whoa!
Whoa, baby! Wow, he got gaffed right in the head. That's
Gaff shot. That's how you bleed these fish. Big ones are a little hard.
Oh! Wow! All right.
That's how you do it.
That's how you bleed them out. That was legit. 1 kite session, 3 fish. I mean 2 fish. I don't know why I said 3.
It's kind of heavy.
He's a thick boy.
Look at that gaff shot. Dude, you literally turn him into a unicorn.
Yeah, he got it right in the forehead, unfortunately for him.
Everybody throws this out, but that's the best part.
That's the best part, the belly.
This tuna have those small scales,
Yeah.
and they get into the meat. If you're eating it sashimi style, it's not very fun to eat. There's one fish I really like to take my time with. You'll understand why I'm going so slow in a minute.
Boom.
Okay, so now, never let the meat touch the fillet table. And honestly, normally I would take this inside just like that. Now that's
There you go. Half of a
that
tuna.
Toro meat right in there.
Is that the fatty, juicy meat right there? We were just editing up the video and I just realized I didn't film us eating the tuna that I spent all that time filming. I always talk about tuna needs to be aged a little bit. So that fresh tuna that we caught with Carson. We caught it. I took it back home to the kitchen. I chopped it up. It tasted very good. But when you eat tuna the same day that you catch it, I find that the meat is like a little firm. It's not like melt in your mouth, buttery, soft, delicious. It's more like there's a little hardness to it, maybe even a tiny bit of chewiness to it. Still good, but I always recommend when you eat tuna, the day you fillet it, wrap it in paper towels, put that inside of a Ziploc bag and put it in your fridge for 24 hours. It'll be way softer and more delicious in my opinion, but the tuna was still excellent. Question for you guys, do you think that this is only applies to a blackfin tuna? Because blackfin tuna do not have a lot of fat. That's why you can't buy them in restaurants, because they don't freeze very well. But then a tuna like a bluefin tuna has a lot of fat. So maybe a bluefin tuna would taste better without needing to age it because it has a higher fat content. I don't know. Let me know what you think about the tuna spiel and the best way to age your tuna meat in the comments below. And if you watched my live stream earlier this week, I did a full redesign of southfloridafishingchannel.com. The site is amazing. We got our new products on there. And if you add your email onto the homepage, just put your email in there, one that you use, because every week on the live stream, I take everybody in that email list and I pick a few winners and send them gift cards. You don't have to be on the live stream to win the gift card. If you get picked, I email you a gift card. So definitely check out the new website, check out our new gear, get on our email list, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the very next fishing video. Cheers.